What?
Yeah, go on a beat. Are you on? You're beating. Go on a beat. Go on a beat. You're on a reach at the moment. Go on a beat.
Head up into the wind.
Pull the sail in and beat. Block to block you should be beating.
Point up.
Point the boat now. Point the boat up. Block to block and get it flat. That's it, keep going block to block. Now, if you're overpowered, you need loads of Cunningham. So whack your Cunningham on. Hard as you can get it on the Cunningham. Okay, then try sailing upwind block to block. And then sail upwind with it block to block. Hiking as hard as you can, right on your toes. Okay, pop attacking. Pop attacking. Because you're under pressure.